Hey guys, it's Brother MacArthur here. Hey, thank you so much for everything you're doing. Um, I've just been amazed at what you're accomplishing on the discussion boards, at how well thought out your answers are to individuals' questions. I read through those. I just don't have time to respond to every one of them. I try where I can, but I really wish I could. But unfortunately, I can't. But you're doing a fantastic job. Your questions are great. Your insights are phenomenal. And especially how you're teaching one another is just, it's incredible. It's inspiring. So thank you. This week, as you dive in, we're in week 6. In fact, you're approaching almost halfway. So that's awesome. You know the drill of what's required now. Um, Sometimes it can be easy to start slacking a little bit and forget to include your word count, or go inside or outside, not inside, but go outside the boundaries of the word count. So just keep an eye on those things. Don't become relaxed. Make sure you finish off the weekly reports, things like that, okay? This week you get to study about the priesthood. You study about priesthood authority, and you study about priesthood keys. You'll study and learn some great things, and maybe something to think about that is, as you think about the Aaronic priesthood, in what ways does it give you access to the atonement of Jesus Christ and even the priesthood in of itself? For example, when it comes to priesthood keys, you and I cannot be saved without the keys that a bishop holds, for example, because he allows us to, initially get a recommend and go to the temple and enter those ordinances. But it's quite a powerful thought if you think about that we can't access heaven without those keys. And by access, meaning entering the ordinances and covenants to be able to return to be with God. Anyway, it's powerful. And so enjoy this as you study this week. And thank you for everything. Students, you're doing great. If I can do anything to help you, let me know.